Welcome to Prince Shorten House. Trial passes legal special for High Court Chandigarh and other courts. 80 words a minute only. Be ready. Start. Impugned in this petition is the order of the trial court dated whereby on an application filed by the respondent, the trial court awarded rupees 1700 as interim maintenance to the respondent from the date of the application, adjustable in maintenance if any, awarded in proceedings under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure or any other proceedings. Parties to the petition were married on at Delhi. Out of the wedlock of the parties, one male child, namely Gaurav, was born on 24th January 1988, who is in the custody of the petitioner when parties started living separately. This resulted into criminal as well as civil litigation interse the parties, including the divorce petition filed by the petitioner. Before petitioners filing petition seeking divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act. However, the said petition was contested by the petitioner and it was dismissed by the trial court. It seems that earlier also respondent has filed a petition, but she withdrew the same. She filed another petition and her application for interim maintenance was dismissed. The revision petition against the said order was also dismissed. She lost her revision petition. Proceedings are also pending against the petitioner and his family members. It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that petitioner is a patient of mental disease and is undergoing treatment. He is unable to earn anything and is living on the mercy of his family members. He is also diabetic patient having disease in his one leg and his left thumb has already been amputated. However, the trial court failed to consider that petitioner is suffering from the above said diseases. The court also failed to consider that one eye of the petitioner's son has been completely damaged and he cannot hear from both the ears, and it is petitioner's family members who have to spend money on his treatment. That court failed to consider that a respondent who is graduate is working for gain and has her independent income for her survival. It is further submitted that the trial court did not properly consider the statement of the petitioner recorded under Order 10 of the Code of Civil Procedure while granting maintenance of rupees 1700 per month to the respondent. Learned counsel for the respondent has submitted that petitioner is with his brothers in the joint family business and has substantial income to provide maintenance to the wife as ordered by the court. He has pointed out that petitioner has not placed on record any document to indicate that he is a patient of hypomania. Under these circumstances, counsel for the respondent has prayed that there are no merits in the petition. During the course of arguments, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that petitioner was suffering even in the year 1986 when he was married to the respondent. When questioned, it was admitted that he was working with his brothers in the family business of manufacturing, etc. His wife, entire mental ailment as is being projected before this court. Petitioner married the respondent, lived with her for 3 years, cohabited with her, and was blessed with a son. Under these circumstances, it becomes unbelievable that petitioner was and is not mentally fit or capable of earning his livelihood. The son born out of wedlock of the parties is about 21 years of age as on date. Petitioner has not placed on record any document of any hospital or any private doctor to show prima facie that since before his marriage he was suffering, and after some time of the marriage the intensity of the disease increased. Stop.